What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing an itty bitty teeny tiny easy peasy mod on the 4Runner. I got some new knobs and I'm gonna show you my new knobs. Okay, anyway, I digress. So here they are. There's a set of two. One's already in the car because I'm filming this after I already installed everything. Don't know, sometimes that's how it happens. But anyway, here it is. Super freaking cute little X smiley face, love it. And this is the side. The texture on this is fantastic. I'm not gonna lie, absolutely love the texture on this. It isn't as deep as the original knob that comes off of the 4Runner, but it doesn't matter because you can't see this back half, like past this dip right here. You can't see that. So I don't see why it would matter at all. And I think because it doesn't extend backwards, then you're able to see the light that's actually behind the knobs that illuminates the knobs. So I feel like this is built well, even though it's not as deep as the original knob. Now the original knob, kind of cheap plastic. Like you can hear that, you can see it, you know, she's thin, cheap plastic. And the new knob is definitely some kind of metal of sorts. And is built really well. Now on their website, if you click the link down below in my description, you'll see they have different styles and different designs, and they have some really cool ones on there. I personally, you know, I think it's the tattoo artist in me and the tattoo vibes in me. I love the smiley faces. They do have a TRD one though, which I definitely thought about because I have a TRD off-road premium. But I already have TRD on the headrest, so I was like, yeah, you know what, let's change it up a little bit. Put the little smiley faces on there. I have to say, it's an easy peasy mod, but I really like it, and it actually makes the interior way more seamless, especially on the TRD off-road premium where the interior is almost completely blacked out. The knobs are silver. The knobs looked kind of weird. Okay, anyway, I digress. So, these are great, I love them. Tiny mod, link in the description if you're interested in getting them. And now let's hop into the installation part of the video. All right, so when this package comes and you open it up, this is what comes inside: the 2 knobs, 3 stickers, and installation instructions that are written. The installation instructions I thought were really helpful. I really like this iridescent sticker. And both of your items are packed separately, which is really nice because you don't have to worry about them scratching each other and then having scratches on the front surface of your new knobs. Love that. Now I apologize for the bags down here, but in Colorado we have to use reusable bags, and I don't like to forget mine, so they literally live in my front seat. Lovely, I know. These are surprisingly hard to get off. I had to use 2 hands to get the first knob off, but if you get the right angle, you can get them off pretty easily. All right, I'm gonna see if I can show you guys how to get this one off. I did need 2 hands for this one, so we'll see. Pretty much just gotta get a really good grip on it and then just pull. There we go. Yep, and then you're following that D shape line up. It's very easy. This is like probably one of the easiest mods. This is hair. One of the easiest mods that I've done so far. Sorry, it's blown out because of the flashlight on the phone though. Yep. Anyway, you just pop it on like that. And here we go, we got a smiley face. If you want to take them off, it's really easy. Real easy. So you can see the illumination that happens around them, which I just love. I think that's so cute. And sorry about my finger entering the screen here. I've got a lot of light coming into the vehicle right now, so I'm trying to make it so you guys can actually see. But anyway, I love them. I think they're so cute. But you know, if you know where to get black ones of these, let a girl know, because now those bother me. Everything else is blacked out in here but those. You do one thing to your car and then you're like, you know what? I need to do more to my car. But for real, now my now my AC and my like my temp knobs, I'm gonna have to see if I can find black in those. I'll let you guys know if I do find black, but fantastic mod. If you have the bug and you just like, you want to do a little mod, because like I get that way. I have these really big mods that I want to do, but I'm saving up for them right now. So like, but I still want to mod it, you know? So this is great. This is a great solution. You just scratch that itch of being addicted to trying to mod your vehicle, but without spending $2K, you know? Instead, you're just out like a smidge of money for some really cool knobs, and they're so cute. I love them. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, comment, let me know what ones are your favorite that they have, because I think they're all really cool. I just personally am a huge fan of the smiley faces. But all right, thank you so much for watching another video from me. Love you guys. Bye.